what you guys want to do is go to Safari. Go to /AirShell. Then you'll download that. And then go to vshare.com or this right here. Do jailbroken. Press install, which I'm not going to do that because I already have it. And then once you got that, go in there. Press up here. Then search shao.tv. Turn. Then download this one right. Shao Mobile TV. This one right here. And once you got it installed, what you want to do is go to settings, go to general, go down to profile and device management, then press the one with Shao TV and AirShell, and then press trust, and then you'll be able to record that. And you can also do Shao. I don't know what that was. That was weird. Okay. Probably an ad that lagged me out. Well, see you guys later in the next video. Bye.